Use implicit differentiation to find an equation of the tangent line to the ellipse defined by 2x squared plus xy plus 5y squared equal 86 at the point -3, 4. Okay, based on implicit differentiation, we should start by taking derivatives of both sides of this equation with respect to x, right? Great. So now derivative of 2x squared, that is for x, right? Derivative of x times y. Here we have to be careful. X and y should be considered as two different functions. So we have here the multiplication of two functions. Recall, in order to take the derivative of the multiplication of two functions, f times g derivative equal f prime g plus g prime times f, right? Okay, so let's start with derivative of x. That is 1 times the other function as it is g, y, plus derivative of g, that is 1. But since we are taking derivative with respect to x, we have to multiply that by dy dx, right? And then don't forget, we have to multiply by the function f as it is, which is x. Great. Next derivative, 5y squared. Here, derivative should be 2 times 510 times y, but since we are taking derivative with respect to x, we have to multiply this by dy dx. Great. Derivative of the constant function 86 is just 0. Now, remember, we are looking at the equation of the tangent line at this particular point. So let's take full advantage of it. We can just replace x with -3 and y with 4, right? Good. And this dy dx is the slope of the tangent line. I'm going to represent it with the letter m. X is -3, y is 4, dy dx m, all equal to 0. 4 times -3, -12, plus 4, which is -8, -3m plus 40m, that's just 37m, and that equal to 0. Adding 8 to both sides of this equation, we get that 37m is equal to 8, and dividing both sides by 37, we get that the slope of the tangent line is 8 over 37. Now, we have a point here, -3,4. So with the slope and the point, we can find the equation of the tangent line. For that, I'm going to use this point slope form with x1 -3 and y1 4. So y minus y1 4 equals slope 8 over 37 times x minus -3. Let's simplify. 8 times x 8x, don't forget this is divided by 37. Minus or minus is plus. Plus 3 here times 8, 24 over 37, right? And finally, to get this written in slope intercept form, in 4 to both sides will give us this 8 over 37 times x, 24 over 37 plus 4. Remember, 4 is the same as 4 over 1. Multiplying by LCD 37 here, we have 24 plus 4 times 37. That is 172. You can check that in your calculator. And 37 common denominator here, 37. So this should be the equation of the tangent line at the point -3, 4. Thank you very much.